Okay, in this video we're going to demonstrate how to locate the door to position it so that you can locate for your lock bore and your deadbolt locations, and also your lock bore mortise and your deadbolt mortise. So we're going to start with a 6/8 door and we're going to do a lock bore location. So you're going to hit the button on the side, that's for your stops. I showed that in a previous video. Then you're going to retract the same stop bar, push the door back, you push back the stops that you obviously don't need, push it up tight against the stop that you require. We're going to do the lock bore, LB lock bore. This is going to give the location for your lock bore. And if you come around to this side, you can see the lock bore template clamp. And we're going to do that again up here front. This is the template clamp. We're going to turn it on. Now that unit is clamped up. Now we currently have the door up against these fences. Because we have it up against these fences, we're going to get a 2 3/4 inch back set. I'm going to go ahead and unclamp it again. I'm going to set my back set out. Confirm I'm still up against my stop, which I am. Clamp it here. Now I would have a 2 3/8 back set. So that's how you go between the two. I'm going to go ahead and bore this guy out for a 2 3/8. So what I'm going to do, I bring the head over to the ring. I lower my cutter guide. I make certain it's fully engaged. I don't want that to jump out while I'm cutting. I'm not going to do my oscillation. No need for doing just a lock bore. I'm going to go ahead and turn my cutter on. Once I do that, obviously it's going to be kind of loud, so I'm going to explain what I'll do after that. I'm going to turn the cutter on, then I'm going to lower the head into it, and I'm going to go in a clockwise rotation. Very important. Everything you want to do on this machine is going to be in a clockwise rotation, because that's the direction of the cutter, and we don't want to climb mill. So turn the cutter on. Go ahead and lower it. Now there's also, I'm going to turn the cutter off so you can hear me better, but there's also a blower on the side. Turn the blower on and that helps keep it clean. I have the blower off because it adds a lot of noise and it's hard to hear what I'm saying. So I turn the cutter off, raise the unit up, turn my cutter guide out of the way, and there is my 2 1/8 lock bore at 2 3/8 back set. Now I want to do my latch drill. I'm going to do this while it's still in the same location. We're going to turn on the latch motor up here. We're going to be certain that we press the latch drill and not the latch mortise. So latch drill. And there's our latch drill. So that is now finished. So I can turn that off just so you can hear me better. Hit my template clamp off. We're going to come back around here and we're going to go and we're going to do our deadbolt location now. So I can move my door. I hit my stop button. All my stops come out. I push it down. Push it up tight against my stop. I've already got my 2 3/8 back set turned on, so I'm going to clamp my template. I'm going to do the exact same procedure. I'm going to do a little different this time. I'm going to do my latch drill. Doesn't matter which one you do first. Obviously, just don't do them at the same time. I'm going to turn on my cutter guide in first. Cutter guide's in. Turn my cutter on. Cutter down. And this is the blower to turn on while you're cutting. And it only turns on when it plunges. But again, I'm going to keep that off so you can hear me better. Cutter guide out of the way. So I've got my latch drill and my lock bore. Okay. Now we're going to do the latch mortise. So we're going to unclamp the template, pull the door away from the stops, hit the stop button, slide it down, and up against the stop. Hit our template clamp. And now we're going to make sure that we do our latch mortise, not our latch drill. So if you look on the back there, you'll see the latch mortise. You have to press it and hold it for approximately 2 seconds before it starts. Okay. So I'm going to unclamp my template. I'm going to pull my door away, hit my stops button again, retract it, push the door against my stop, nice and solid, make sure it's there. You template clamp, and ready to mortise. Okay, so that's going to be the conclusion of the video on how to do your lock bores, your latch drills, and your latch mortises.